Welcome. I am Professor A.B. Zanzad from Kekewa College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology, Nasik, from Department of Irrigation and Drainage Engineering. Today's lecture on the pressure and its measurement. First, we will see the fluid pressure at a point. Consider a small area dA in large mass of fluid. If the said fluid is stationary, then the force exerted by the surrounding fluid on the area dA will perpendicular to surface dA. That is, dF is equal to force acting on area dA in the normal direction. Then the dF upon dA will equal to pressure intensity, that is P. Therefore, the pressure force that is acting on a point in fluid is F is equal to P into A, where P is pressure intensity and A is area. Then we will see the Pascal law. Pascal law states that the pressure or intensity of pressure at a point in static fluid is equal in all directions. The static fluid means the fluid which is in rest position, and this is proved as the fluid element is of very small dimensions. These dimensions are dx, dy and ds. Now, as shown in figure, consider an arbitrary fluid element of wedge shape in a fluid mass at rest. Let the width of this element perpendicular to plane of paper is 1, that is unity, and Px, Py and Pz are the pressure or intensity of pressure acting on the faces, that is face AB, face AC and face BC respectively. Let angle ABC is equal to theta. Then the forces which acting on the element are, there are two forces acting on this element. First one is pressure forces normal to the surface, and second force is weight of element in vertical direction. The forces on the faces are, first, force on face AB. It is Px into area of face AB. As we know the area of face AB from figure, it is dy into 1. Therefore, force on face AB is equal to Px into dy into 1. Similarly, force on face AC is equal to Py into area of face AC, that is equal to Py into dx into d1. Similarly, force on face BC is equal to Pz into area of face BC, which is equal to Pz into ds into 1. This is forces on face AB, AC and BC. Now the force of weight of element. Weight of element is equal to mass of element into g. But we know the mass of element is volume into rho. Therefore, weight of element is equal to volume into rho into g. But we know the volume is AB into AC upon 2 into 1. It is taken from figure, that is volume is AB into AC upon 2 into 1. Therefore, weight of element will be equal to AB into AC upon 2 into 1 into rho into G, and where the rho is density of fluid. Now, resolving the forces in x direction. So, it is Px into dy into 1 minus P into ds into 1 into sine 90 degree minus theta, which is equal to 0. Therefore, it is equal to Px into dy into 1 minus Pz ds into 1 cos theta. But from figure, d cos theta is equal to AB and AB is equal to dy. Therefore, px into dy into 1 minus pz into dy into 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, px is equal to pz, or similarly resolving the forces in y direction. Firstly, we resolve the forces in x direction, that is px is equal to pz. Now, resolving the forces in y direction, therefore we will get the py into dx into 1 minus pz into ds into 1 cos 90 degree minus theta minus dx into dy upon 2 into 1 into rho into g. It is equal to 0. Or py into dx minus pz ds sin theta minus dx upon dy upon 2 into rho g is equal to 0. But ds sin theta is equal to dx, and also the element is very small, and hence the weight is negligible. As the weight is negligible, therefore py into dx minus pz into dx is equal to 0. That is equal to py is equal to pz. This is resolving the forces in y direction, that is py is equal to pz. Therefore, from these two equations, forces in x direction and forces in y direction, we will get px is equal to py is equal to pz. These equations shows that the pressure at any point in x, y and z direction is equal. Since the choice of fluid element was completely arbitrary, which means the pressure at any point is same in all directions. That is, in x direction, in y direction or in z direction, the pressure intensity will be same at that point. Now, absolute pressure, gauge pressure, atmospheric pressure and vacuum pressure. We will see first absolute pressure. Absolute pressure is defined as pressure which is measured with reference to absolute vacuum pressure. Vacuum pressure means negative pressure. Then second is gauge pressure. Gauge pressure is defined as the pressure which is measured with help of pressure measuring instruments, in which atmospheric pressure is taken as datum, and the atmospheric pressure on the scale is marked as 0. As we know, the datum is 0, therefore the atmospheric pressure on that scale is marked as 0. Then third pressure is vacuum pressure, which is defined as the pressure below the atmospheric pressure. Vacuum pressure is nothing but the pressure below atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is we have taken as a datum, that is 0. Therefore, vacuum pressure below the 0 will be in negative. Therefore, vacuum pressure is negative pressure. The relationship between the absolute pressure, gauge pressure and vacuum pressure is shown in this figure. In figure, here is absolute pressure, the atmospheric pressure is shown, and the pressure at atmospheric pressure is 0. The pressure above atmospheric pressure is gauge pressure, and the pressure below the atmospheric pressure is vacuum pressure. Now, mathematically, absolute pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure plus gauge pressure. That is, PAB is equal to P atmospheric plus P gauge. That is, P atmospheric pressure plus gauge pressure, which is equal to absolute pressure. Then second, vacuum pressure. Vacuum pressure is nothing but atmospheric pressure minus absolute pressure, as the vacuum pressure is pressure below the atmospheric pressure. Note that the atmospheric pressure at sea level at 15 degrees Celsius is 101.3 kilonewton per meter square, or 10.13 Newton per centimeter square in SI units. Or in case of MKS units, the atmospheric pressure will be equal to 1.033 kg per centimeter square. Thank you. To get more videos related to agricultural engineering and irrigation engineering, subscribe this channel Agronius. Thank you.